Hey Ross here with TrueCut CNC, and I'm going to do a quick video on fixing Windows Update. So if you find that Mach 3 opens like this, you get the splash screen, but then the splash screen just disappears and Mach doesn't open. The cause of that is likely your last Windows update. So what you need to do is roll back the last Windows update, and to do that, what we do is we click on the little Windows icon right here on your machine. It may be in the upper right corner. We're going to right click that, and we click on Settings. Then we go to Update and Security, and we go to Recovery. Now you have three options here. What we want to do is go back to the previous version of Windows 10. What you're going to do is click Get Started, and that's going to start the process of getting things ready. And from that point on, what you're going to do is say, it's going to ask, why are you going back? Say, my apps or devices don't work on this build. Check that. Click Next, and just follow all the instructions. Your computer will reboot probably once, possibly twice. So just hang with it, follow all the instructions, and when it comes back up, when Windows comes back up, Mach 3 should start up again.